In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a shoulder internal rotation. This is a great corrective exercise that helps relieve shoulder pain. Now, when performing this exercise, a few things that you need is just a cable tire machine like this, a D handle like this, and also a rolled up towel. Now, when it comes to shoulder pain, there's a lot of things that could contribute to it, all right? Bad posture, maybe overuse of certain muscle groups, things like that, all right? But today what we're going to do is go ahead and try to relieve that pain or those type of imbalances. Now, when doing the internal rotation, what you're going to do is go ahead and take a roll-up towel and place it underneath the armpit. The whole reason you want to do this is because you want the elbow close and tight to the body when performing this exercise. You don't want the shoulder to come too far up or maybe turning in like this, okay? You want to keep a nice strong posture when performing the exercise. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and move out just a little bit so I have some slack from the weights, all right? Because what can happen if I'm too close and I start performing the exercise, I'm always going to hear that clank, all right? So go ahead and move out. When it comes to the position of where you are, you don't want to be too far forward or too far back, because you want that straight, nice line of pull so you have the most resistance into that shoulder rotator cuff, okay? So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and perform the exercise. In my stance, I'm going to keep my feet straight, slight bend in the knees, push the butt out, keep chest up so I have a nice, strong, athletic stance, okay? And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and perform the exercise, just like that. Nice and slow, okay? And when doing this exercise, you don't have to have extremely heavy weight, okay? Just something that you're going to feel some type of resistance into the shoulder rotator cuff, because this is only a corrective exercise. Now, when it comes to alternative equipment, sometimes what can happen is that on a cable towel machine, the weight can be too heavy. For example, on this machine, the lightest weight is about 20 pounds. So what you can use is this. You can use a regular band and you can wrap it around any type of pole or things, or a machine, things like that. So as you can see, I've just wrapped it around this handle. I'm taking the towel, put it underneath my armpit, and I'm going to go ahead and perform that exercise, okay? Keeping a nice, strong, athletic stance, nice and slow, okay? And another thing that you can use is also a super band as well, all right? Same thing, you can wrap it around something, you know, tie a knot, and the same thing, you know, perform the exercise just like this. If you need more resistance, I can tie a knot onto it, like that. And this is like, you're going to tie a knot if you have most likely a pole or something like that, but you can also tie it if you want more resistance as well. And same thing, all right? Just like that, nice and slow, okay? This is how you do a shoulder internal rotation.